Illinois parents may be getting some extra money back in their state income tax refund next year. Lawmakers created a child tax credit that will expand on the state's earned income tax credit. Illinois Capitol Bureau Chief Max Cotton explains the credit and who could be seeing the extra cash.
Illinois parents struggling to make ends meet could get some help. That's because the state's next budget includes a new child tax credit.
The Illinois child tax credit is based off of what the federal government did during the pandemic to institute their own child tax credit to kind of give families that little extra boost.
Here's how it will work. It's open to families with kids under 12 who qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit, a federal and state credit for low and middle income earners. Families with kids under 12 will add an additional 20% to their state EITC refund next year and 40% in subsequent years. Arian Malasi with the Economic Security Project says that could mean between $150 and $600 for some families.
When parents receive the child tax credit, it's spent locally and immediately. And that benefits every main street, every downtown across Illinois, making sure our businesses can stay afloat, especially as we recover from the COVID-19 pandemic.
He says every child tax credit dollar creates $2.50 in economic stimulus. And while some lawmakers questioned whether a child tax credit would have a big enough impact to justify the expense, Halpin says it'll make a big difference to the families who need it.
For the families that get it, it's going to go a long way. I've talked to them. It could be a matter of just a simple car repair or avoiding problems not being able to pay for a car repair. It can assist with, a day of childcare, or it could just help out with an extra week of groceries.
The plan will cost $50 million next year and $150 million in future years. In Springfield, Max Cotton, WGEM News.